welcome back to another video. My name is Chrisberleen and you can call me Cheese for short. So today I'm going to be unboxing another food supplement. Yeah! I ran out of ocean minerals and OPTIBERRY, so I gotta get more of it. And you know, ocean minerals is one of our basic needs. If you haven't checked out my video and my reviews about ocean minerals, I will link it in the description box. I will link it in the description box below. So now I'm gonna be unboxing again. Let's get started. So this is the 60 ml. Can you see that? 60 ml, and this is the 30 ml and the 30 ml and the OPTIBERRY. Usually I always have the 60 ml and it's big enough like this. It's big, but I haven't seen the small version, the 30 ml. It's super cute. It is so cute. The first time I seen it, it's just super cute. So, and I got the OPTIBERRY. So, okay. So usually I get the 60 ml. This is how it looks like. And there. Eee, look at that. Nice. And so I will set this, not yet opened, and this one I opened it yesterday, and this is the 30 ml, looks like. So cute. If you compare the 60 ml, the 60 ml to 30 ml is so cute. So the 30 ml has like a transparent bottle, while the 60 ml is just pure white. But look at that, it's so cute. This one is will be here in our house, and this one will be in my purse. And just in case, because this is actually our first aid, this is kind of like all in one. And you know, really, minerals is so important to our body, and you know, we get all the minerals we need in the food we eat. But daily, every day, we don't really have a complete minerals in a day. So this one has a 120 minerals in it. It's an ionic electrolytes. And according to the website, it has magnesium, potassium, carbon, sodium, sulfur, calcium, and other trace minerals like selenium, copper, molybdenum, iron, zinc, and many more. Magnesium, calcium, and both of that should be together, right? Because if you take a lot of calcium, and this is according to my research, okay? I'm not like a pro, but you have to put them together, the calcium and magnesium, because if you take calcium supplement only, it will form a calcium oxalate in your kidneys, like what you call kidney stones, calcium stones in your kidneys. But with magnesium, it will dissolve that. So it's good to pair magnesium and calcium together. If you have mineral deficiency, these are all the minerals that you lack. Haven't checked the other video, check that out. I have tons of testimonies there, but today I will do a different testimony. And usually I was taking this quite a while. Every glasses of water I put 10 drops, every glasses of water, and I never thought for me it's just to boost my immune system, to get more minerals in my body. And I never thought that when I had my menstrual cramps or dysmenorrhea, when you have your period, it lessens the pain. You usually have first day and second day I always have painful menstrual cramps or dysmenorrhea. But when I kept on taking this, and I didn't expect that my menstrual cramps will lessen the pain. And I was like, that's cool. And I kept taking it. And I will be right back. This is another food supplement that I was taking. I'll be right back. I'm back. So I'm talking about the one that I paired with this. So this is anti-cancer food supplement. It has, according to the study, this mushroom, agaricus mushroom, has 99.4% cancer prevention rate and 90% recovery rate, cancer recovery rate, or any diseases. So I just took this is because I want I just want to boost my immune system and to prevent having tumor, because we have a family history of tumor. So I took this one for that purpose, and I didn't know that that when I had my period, my pain, my dysmenorrhea or menstrual cramps completely gone. I can't believe it. I was like, what? I didn't feel any pain first day and second day. I don't have any pain. Usually I have pain, but it's moderate. I can handle the pain, but it's very, very uncomfortable. But that day, it blew my mind. So I'm not even kidding, guys. I can't believe these two are my combo for dysmenorrhea. So I kept taking that, like, not on the day. Before that, I was already taking it. So I took this one for like every other day. I take 2 capsule or 1 capsule a day. So, and this one, every glasses of water I put it in, and I can't believe it. So it's just completely has, for me, I'm taking it completely no side effects to me, only good side effects, and I love. But anyway, I will discuss every detail about this in my next video. So for now, this is only, we're gonna focus. So tons of benefits, and for you to know, you have to try to believe it. And I'm gonna give you a little bit of a summary. When I'm dizzy, I drop 10 drops in my water, and in few minutes in time, my dizziness is gone. That's really awesome. And also, when I have canker sore, like a singaw, it's a canker sore, but it's really painful. If your immune system goes low, like mine just pops up, and I put 10 drops in a little bit of water, and then I'll gargle it and let it stay in my mouth for a few minutes, and then it's after a week or few days, the whole time it never grew big, it wasn't painful, and a week after, my canker sore was gone. That's, as I said, first aid, guys. Or what we call like all in one. And some of testimonies, they put it right. For example, they have a skin asthma, and they just kind of like put it in water and spray it in their skin. It worked, and that's according to them. And then some has a pain on their wrist, and they put it on there and massage it on their varicose veins. If it's their legs is painful, they put this one, drop it on their legs, massage it, and the pain will be gone. So it's you can drink this, you can put it on your skin. It's amazing, but make sure it's diluted, because it's very, 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 very strong and salty. So only you can put it undiluted, without any water, if you have high blood pressure. So if your blood pressure is really high, and you just for emergency purposes, you drop this underneath your tongue. That's what we call the sublingual. and then just drop that there, 2 drops, 2 to 3 drops underneath your tongue. In a few minutes, it will help to lower down your blood pressure. That's the only time you can put it undiluted, but most of the time, please dilute this. For overall, this is my top favorite. And you can also use this for for your baby too, but a minimal amount of drops, like 1 to 2 drops in their milk or in their water, and for babies. And so if they're acidic or something else. And also, before I forget, this is also good for heartburn. If you are acidic, and if you're acidic, it's really help. Like my husband had a heartburn, and then I dropped 10 drops in a small glass of water, and it really helped. At first, it came back, and then I gave 10 drops again on a small glass of water, and after that, completely gone. Heartburn is gone. So this is, I tested this as well in my another video. If you haven't seen, I will also put the link in the description box below. I tested this one as well, and it will make your acidic water to alkaline. So yeah, favorite. If it helped us, it might help you too. So okay, so I have the OPTIBERRY because we ran out. Usually berries are very expensive if you buy it individually. So this one has 6 berries plus grape seed extract. So it has a wild blueberry, strawberry, cranberry, elderberry, raspberry, bilberry, and grape seed extract. If you have urinary tract infection, and whenever you pee, it hurts, right? So this one, just 1 capsule, it will help that. And pair that with ocean minerals so that it will balance the acidity level or your pH level in your body. But this one, gosh, like there's I've heard one of testimony about he has a UTI and it helped him. And it's really awesome. And one of my family members got UTI as well. She had a painful when she urinates, and then she took OPTIBERRY, and that pain is gone. So I also told her to put some ocean minerals in it so that it completely kind of balance the acidity level in her body. So yeah, it's because there's a cranberry. So usually doctors will say, oh, take cranberry to prevent UTI and to help UTI. It's antioxidant and anti-angiogenic. It will not produce another blood vessel where the tumor loves to grow. And just search the anti-angiogenic. It's good for vision. It'll help improve your vision. It's awesome. Let's admit it, all berries are very expensive, but this one capsule, you get all the berries you need. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave any questions in the comments down below so I could help you out or I could answer your questions. It's because I'm already affiliate of this company. I'm already discounted to all of the products lifetime. If you are interested to know more about that, please do comment down below and I will cater it. You are wondering what I do. I do different and variety videos. I do baby must-haves videos. I do house decor, healthy products, the video, unboxing, and travel, and many more. I will see you in my next video, guys. I will see you later. Bye!